हेलो गाइस, हाउ आर यू? आप सब ठीक हैं? उम्मीद है सब खैरियत से होंगे. सो टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अबाउट द ट्रैवल टिप्स. सो आई विल टेल you about the travel tips before going on the airport. So keep remaining with us, and I will tell you the tips of going travel. And if you are new on YouTube channel and you are watching for the first time, so subscribe our channel and like, share and comment. So please, and especially press the bell icon button, so you will get my videos on the priority, and you will see my and you will watch my video for the first time. So let's not waste our time and start our topic. Our topic is lesser known air travel tips to use before heading to the airport. Okay guys, let's start the topic. Air travel takes a lot out of me. Although I travel a lot and I am armed with some of the best travel apps, I simply don't do well in a practical situation. The whole experience is much more tolerable. However, when I can get as much and delegated from information as possible to shape my expectations. First of all, see the history of on-time status. You should keep remain on this, and flight away helps you track to the real time status of any flight. It also has a history of the same flight with details on the actual takeoff and landing time as well. Flight duration such, just look your flight and scroll down to the past flight on the resulting page to see more. To go to the bottom and then chart and select view more flight history. They can see the history of the flights on these apps. And the history of the flight details cause doesn't guarantee that your flight will leave or arrive on time. This is not a mandatory, but seeing a part may help you set your expectation. For example, if the flight routinely leaves late and arrives late, you might opt for a longer layover before trying to catch a connecting flight. Sometimes being able to see that a flight has a history of being at time sets your mind at ease. And the second one is check the official record for why flights are delayed. You can check out this list. The US Bureau of Transportation Statistics keeps tracks the official cause of the flight delays, and results can be eye-opening. You can look at statistics across all airports in the US or drill down your specific airport and even the carrier you plan to fly or your chosen airport. You can choose easily. While you might think weather plays a huge role in delay, the data tell us different stories between March 2023 and March 2024. Less than 1% of the delays at US airport were caused by weather, whereas 10.4% were caused by aircraft arriving. That should clue you that in tracking your aircraft previous flight may be just a good use of your time as tracking summer storm. So let's learn how to do that in the next trip. The other one is track your planes previous flights, and you means that on the resulting page flight will tell us the status of the aircraft previously scheduled flight. You know if your plane is even the right airport yet. Yes, and the other one is look up where you can fly direct. I like both flight connections and direct flights for finding out where you catch a non-stop flight from an airport. For people who lives within the driving distance of a few different airports, finding out where you can fly direct is a huge help in picking the best route or destination. For example, my sister and her family live in Buffalo, Nay, NY, but often they are willing to drive to Toronto to catch an international flight because there are many more options out of XYZ, YYZ without a connection. The only real difference I have noticed between flight direct and direct flights is that direct flights is more likely to include routes that are ending soon or routes that have ended, whereas flight connection seems to remove them faster. So if you to yourself, I could have shown where was the direct flight between Toronto and Brussels. That flight will tell you that you are not crazy. The route ended up in 2023. Then the next one is review on the direct details of your seat options. If you select your airplane seat in advance, usually for a free, even an upgraded seat could confirm with a hitch, like a bulkhead emergency exit row seat whose leg room is impeded by the plane's emergency sided. Okay guys, this is it, and this was our topic about the airport and how to travel. in lesser known air travel tips, and see you in the next video. If you are new on videos, so subscribe, like and share and comment our channel. And hit the bell icon so you can and you can watch my movie on the watch my video special video clip on the top of the list. So this is it, ये मेरा टॉपिक था, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. ओके मैन, टेक केयर, अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा गाइस.